Are you looking for the best pro scooters? In this video, we will look at some of the best pro scooters on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. AJOOSOS X750 Electric Scooter. The quiet 2500W brushless motor makes the maximum speed of X750 reach 65 km per hour. It can easily cope with steep slopes of 30 degrees. The motor adopts dual heat dissipation structure, which can maintain peak performance for a longer time. The 10-inch thick explosion-proof all-terrain brand tires make the X750 durable and stable. Whether you are riding on smooth asphalt pavement, rough urban streets, or off-road roads, the X750 can bring a stable and safe riding experience. 960 super performance lithium battery can travel 60 to 78 km per charge, with longer service life. The battery has the functions of overcharge protection and overcurrent protection. 1000 cycle life, 6 to 8 hours fast charging. The front and rear double disc brakes plus EABS provide good braking capability. The brake response is more sensitive, faster, and the reaction distance is shorter. Shock absorbers make riding more comfortable. Even on steep roads, it can be like riding on flat ground. LED lights are installed at the front, rear, and left sides to ensure that you can be seen when riding in the dark. The high current headlights illuminate the road ahead in the dark, and the rear brake warning alerts the vehicles behind. High visibility LCD display can clearly see the riding speed, power gear, etc. even in the sun. It is also easy to set the personalized parameters of the scooter. The whole frame is made of aviation-grade aluminum alloy. With its powerful motor and solid structure, the X750 can withstand 150 kilograms of adults. The height of the handlebar can be adjusted, which is suitable for most people. The widened pedal design can be easily controlled by people with a height of 160 to 200 centimeters. Number 2. Mankeel MK083 Electric Scooter. The scooter's foldable feature makes it easy to transport and store, enhancing its portability. A clear LED display provides real-time information, including battery life and speed mode, for a smart riding experience. Powered by a robust 350W motor, this scooter reaches speeds up to 30 km per hour, ensuring a thrilling ride. With a 36V 10.4Ah battery, the Mankeel MK083 offers a substantial 15 miles range on a single charge. Product name: Mankeel MK083 Electric Scooter. Unfolding size: 1054 by 436 by 1150 mm. Folding size: 1054 by 436 by 480 mm. Net weight: 12 kilograms. Frame material: high carbon steel. Tire: 8.5-inch honeycomb tire. Max range: 15 miles. Max speed: 15.6 miles per hour. Lifting the speed limit can reach 18.7 miles per hour. Motor power: 350W. Brake: electric brake plus disc brake. Climbing angle: 20 degrees. Battery: 36V 10.4Ah lithium battery. Charging time: 4 to 6 hours. Max load: 120 kilograms. Number 3. AJOOSOS X500 Electric Scooter. Strong grip, wear-resisting, and safe. It's suitable for different kinds of roads. You control the speed with one key according to the different road surface conditions, which makes driving more comfortable and riding more security. One key for speed control, and a monitor for you to check the control information. Strong power and running: 1200W/2600W motor, 70 kilometers running distance. You could check the speed, mileage, time, power, stop, voltage, etc. information via the display screen. Bright red light to ensure your night riding safety. Help to get a tiny size when the scooter is folding. 3 different height to adjust to height to 118 mm, 260 mm, 480 mm. It could fit for different people. Number 4. SUNNIGOO N7 Pro Electric Scooter. Super high speed 30 km per hour, 3-level speed, 15 km/h and 25 km/h and 30 km/h. Double brake, front electric brake, rear disc brake, sensitive safety brake. Full body waterproof design, Waterproof grade IP54. Supports speed limit settings from 30 to 1 km per hour. Scooter app lock function. 100-240V input /42V output /1.5A. 3 seconds folding, 107 by 43 by 46 centimeters. Space saving, 12.5 kilograms. Ultralight, easy to carry. Load capacity 120 kilograms. Aluminum alloy forged body, strong and durable. Strong power, 350W motor, climbing 20 degrees. Metal bell design. The bell is loud and easy to operate. Sine wave motherboard, smoother acceleration and braking, safe, unique on the market. Other square wave motherboard models, acceleration and braking shaking, poor driving experience, dangerous. App, speed/battery/mileage display, scooter app lock, light switch, scooter off, cruise on, off, scooter 0 speed and non-zero start, automatic shutdown time setting. Number 5. AOVOPRO ESMAX electric scooter. 10 air tire, high-tech self-seal material, jelly glue seal, instant automatic repair and seal the tire, will never have tire flat. Double brake, front drum and rear electric brake, sensitive and safe brake. Full scooter body waterproof design. Support speed limit setting. App lock function on scooter. 100-240V input /42V output /2A. 3 seconds to fold, save space, 18.5 kilograms, super light, easy carry. Loading capacity 120 kilograms. Aluminum alloy forged scooter body, strong and durable scooter. Powerful, 500W motor, climbing range 30 degrees. Metal bell design, loud ring bell, easy to operate. Sine wave motherboard, accelerate and brake more smoothly, safety, unique on the market, much better than other square wave motherboard model.